Welcome to WoodSaw Central. Today we're at the scene of a forest fire, and we're witnessing this rather unusual sight. A firefighter is attempting to cut down a tree that's on fire. What's going on here? Why is this man deciding to cut down the tree while it's still burning? Thankfully, he seems to have all the necessary safety equipment. Now let's take a brief detour from the fire scene and check out some impressive technology used in the logging industry. Here we have a stump grinder efficiently and precisely removing the tree's remaining parts. Let's hope everything is okay. Back to the tree stump. It seems some local residents have decided to tackle this problem themselves, using a pickup truck to remove the stump. And it's being pulled out. Please remember that this kind of operation is dangerous without proper training and safety precautions. Don't try this at home. Check out the Komatsu 931 at work in the forest. This is one serious machine. It makes light work of logging. Next, a school bus pulling out a tree stump. That's one powerful and unusual method. Automated log cutting machine. Amazing efficiency. It's fascinating to see the logging process so automated. advanced logging technology. From classic chainsaws to modern harvesters, the evolution of saws is a remarkable story. Thanks for watching WoodSaw Central.